Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Australia's retail sales will be released at 1:30 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 5 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT. Spain's current account balance will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's housing starts at 5 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
A US appeals court reinstated President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, leaving Wall Street with no clear direction a day after most of the tariffs were blocked by a trade court, a move that had given markets a brief boost. US crypto mining stocks tumbled after minutes published by the Federal Reserve signaled its growing uncertainty about the country's economic outlook. The crypto market remained unscathed, despite the stock drops among crypto miners. Global stocks rose while the US dollar weakened after giving up earlier gains against major peers, as markets digested the surprise ruling of a trade court that blocked President Donald Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dropped 2.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.4% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.